All right, today I have a GMC Sierra, and I'm going to show you how to open and close the gas cap on this particular GMC Sierra. I'm going to show you how to do that, all right, so you can fuel up your car and be on your way. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm going to start it. In order to open and close the gas cap and fuel door on this GMC Sierra, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the vehicle off, make sure it's in park, turn it off. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the door and I'm going to walk around to the back of the vehicle. And you see this right here? This right here is where I open that. And it has easy fuel to where you just go ahead and put the nozzle into that pump of your vehicle, and then when you're done, you go ahead and take this, close that, and voila, that is how you open and close the fuel door gas cap on this particular GMC Sierra. Hope this has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.